So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove the gear knob from Ford Cmax 2014, but it's same from 2011 till 18, even 19 I believe. It's kind of a little bit different, but so what you want to do, you just turn it on the left side. It's quite a long way to do it, but here, so yeah, as you can see, that's the spring that holds for reverse. So for reverse, if you have need to remove this as well, so you should use some plastic tools. I believe it's basically just somewhere on the sides like this. So yeah, and then you can take it all the way up. Same goes if you wanna put it back. You put it like this, take all sides in, click, and screw the gear knob. So you can, yeah, like that. So I hope this will help. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. I'm gonna make some more stuff for the Cmax, so stay tuned for that on the channel. Check out other videos, it will help grow the channel. So that's about that for this one. Thank you and see you next one.